Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I did this makeup. It actually turned out pretty fire for as hungover and exhausted as I am. My face is so swollen. But yeah, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I'm going to link all the links below. And yeah, let's get to it. Hello guys. Okay, so we are going to have to go really fast. I got this new Hourglass Luminous Glow Foundation. I just don't know if this is gonna be the right shade. I think it will. I think it definitely will. This is in the shade 6. I'm visiting my family here in the suburbs of Chicago, but I was just in the city with my best friend from high school. And we have been like having the best time together. It's been so nice being back in Chicago, even though I'm like a full-on tourist now. Ooh, I love this stuff. Ooh, I love Hourglass. Hourglass is so good. It's a little lighter, but I actually kind of like it. I'm gonna take my lightest concealer, which is Hourglass Sepia. And I'm just gonna get my inner corners right here for now. And I'm wearing a dress that kind of reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. It's light blue, as you can see. And I want to wear black. I'm wearing black heels. I was thinking it'd be cool to do like a thick black liner. Oh my god, I am so hungover. I'm gonna set this in with my finger so it really gets in my skin. And my beauty blender, like, it dropped on the ground, so I'm not gonna use it. So I'm gonna use my finger for now. And on my skin, I only have vitamin C. Okay, I'm gonna take my Refi Creamy Bronzer, my Refi Duo brush. I'm gonna start with sand because I don't want to be too bronzy. I'm gonna get your neck so it blends. I'm gonna do a little here. I'm going lower than I usually do. I don't know why, I'm just going to. Now we're gonna do eyebrows. I'm going in with NYX. This is eyebrow pen in taupe. I woke up early this morning. We were out last night. Woke up really early this morning in Chicago. Jumped on the train. I like love taking the train. Got here, ran into the shower, and now we are getting ready. My energy might be a little weird because I'm tired. Okay, I think it looks good. This is the best eyebrow gel. This is by Make Infinite Hold Sculpting Brow Gel in Clear. I did my best friend's makeup this weekend and she's like, what was that eyebrow stuff? We had a wild night, slept with my makeup on, woke up and my eyebrows like perfect still. Now I'm gonna take a little spoolie. Tame these a bit because I want it like a natural-ish brow. I don't want it to be like perfect. I'm gonna let that dry and touch it up a little more. I'm debating if I want to do like an intense eyeliner or if I want to do just like, oh shit, oh no, or just like soft, like a soft natural look with like little lashes. I'm gonna take, this is the Makeup by Mario palette in the original. I'm gonna go with this one first. And I'm getting like here and around. I'm leaving this open because I'm taking a small brush at this. This is KB Beauty in 209. Same color. God, I look so tired. I'm taking like this flat, this is a ColourPop E13. I'm gonna go in with this white one right here. And I definitely want to whiten this. I'm still debating what I want to do with my eyes. I'm going to do a little more on my face right now. I need some color on my cheeks. So I'm going with Refi's blush, the Hourglass brush in 15. I'm going to get this here for now. And then I'm gonna take Ref Eyes Blush in Citrine. I love this color too. And I'm gonna target this like a little more. Over here. I'm gonna start with, this is Road and Balance. See, it just like does a lot. So now I feel like I'm just gonna do my liner. So I'm going in with my NYX eyeliner in black. I want to do like a real good liner. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do the inside. I just fixed this up a little bit. It's looking a little weird. I'm gonna go with Makeup by Mario, the neutrals. I'm going in with this color right here. It's just giving a little bit, but again, I don't want like too much. I'm dragging that out. I'm going in with Charlotte Tilbury's bronzer and the BK brush in 111. And I'm just gonna set some powder. Putting a lot right here. In there. So what's gonna tie this all together is lashes. I might use these lashes that I've had in the past. I also have these new lashes that I got on Amazon. Like, how perfect. I think I'm just doing these little side ones. We gotta be out the door in 15 minutes and I have yet to curl my hair and to put my dress on. Lashes with a liner. But these are like so flippy. We're gonna have to make it work. We don't have time. I'm gonna take my MAC mascara. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara here to kind of blend it. And then the glue's not dry yet, so I'm gonna wait a little longer before I put mascara over here. I'm gonna lift the lashes. But I wanna see what this looks like. Not my favorite, but we're gonna make it work. So, yeah, I can see this now. I'm gonna drag this out a little more. Oh, this is lifting now. I'm gonna bring this up just into the lash line so it blends a little more. Bottom mascara. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass. This is in the shade Drift. And I'm now going to kind of get there. I'm just gonna take, this is BK brush in N16. Make sure I kind of target. I don't want to get too high. Fix a little of that blurred liner. Gonna take my little foundation brush that I used earlier and just kind of press this. Now I kind of want to take this Kosas. This is their Pinkier, the candy cloud set. I'm gonna take a powder puff. I'm gonna set this. Hourglass brush. I'm hanging on for dear life today, my God. Might be the most boring tutorial. Going on with Kosas Thrill. this Kosas shiny glimmer rose. It's like a shimmery, on my nose here. I can do a little more and then go with the Kosas and butterflies. This is, I like putting this like up here. Yeah, a little up here. I should be done. Oh, I should touch up my, this is a freckle pen. I'm just gonna do this real quick. I need that. I have a little freckle here, but my makeup sometimes covers it up. So I've been like exaggerating it lately. I'll add a little freckles to my nose too. I tried doing freckles this weekend because I'm like kind of new to the freckle world. I tried doing freckles this week. My girlfriend's like, I think you think those look like freckles, but they look like blackheads. I'm like, okay. More definition to my nose. I'm just gonna go in with any brush. And I always try to find like the most like taupey gray, more gray color to do this. I just want to sharpen my nose up just a bit. All right, now my favorite, my Charlotte Tilbury. I just put this in the travel size. The Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Okay, I'm gonna curl my hair. Okay, trying to go as fast as I can. So I straighten my hair. Now I'm gonna curl it as fast as I can. I have everything in front. Yes. Okay, I'm taking, I love this curling iron. This is by Maine. I want to say this is like 1.5 inches or like 1.25. I also put in hair protectant. I have been like really taking good care of my hair. Always put heat protectant in my hair. If I can do this fast. I have been going non-stop, like it's insane. I'm like building my stamina in life. Okay, now I'm going away from my face, praying that somehow this stays with no hairspray. Damn it, I forgot to get hairspray. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna grab, I have like a camera that I love, but it's like bulky, so I can never like carry my cute purses. I feel like I always have to bring my ugly travel purse, but it does fit. There we go. I'm gonna leave that for now. Let it, did I get everything? Whatever, it's gonna have to do for now. But look how cute, isn't this dress so cute? It's from House of CP. I love it. All right, I'm gonna add in a little, my absolute favorite, the Kosas. I'm gonna set this now that my face is a little shiny from the spray. I'm obsessed with these shoes. These are from Schultz. Alright, jewelry. I am gonna do, I don't have too much here. I actually got these at the airport in Miami. They have like the cutest little jewelry shops. Then I want to do a sweater of some kind. Ignore the messy room. These are my two options. Like, is this cute? Or I have this wrap one. I kind of like this. I don't know, I just do. I'm not gonna have it on the entire time, but this is it. Okay, gotta go. So this is my makeup now, and I really like it. It turned out better than I thought. This is Dimitri. We are about to go to my cousin's right now, to the bridal shower.